Morning, State College!
The National Weather College has issued a flood warning for the Youghiogheny River near Confluence from this afternoon to this evening. At 7:45 a.m. Monday, the stage was 11.9 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 12.0 feet this morning. Impact at 12.0 feet. The right bank of the river overflows downstream of Confluence and about 1/4 mile upstream from the gauging station. Impact at 14.0 feet. State Route 3003 is closed due to high water. High water covers the road about 1/10 of a mile downstream of the confluence of the Castleman and the Youghiogheny rivers. Flood history. No available flood history. Here is the latest.
Well, what a way to start my morning, State College!